Can you play that again?
Today's hair video, then please make sure that you keep on watching. So today's hair is sponsored by Beauty Forever Hair. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's hair video. So they did send over plenty of goodies. So thank you guys also for the goodies. So this unit did come pre-plucked out of the package. I did go ahead and pluck it a little bit more to my liking. And then I just decided to add a little bit of my foundation on the lace. This unit does come with the elastic band, adjustable straps, and also combs inside of the cap construction. As far as the elastic band, that does give you a choice to wear this wig glueless for all of the glueless gals, okay?
Put that on my mama, on my hood, I look fly.
Now, I love Beauty Forever Hair because I love the quality of their hair. They are always coming through, okay? Always coming through. This is a water wave unit in 24 inches, 13 by 4, and I love it, y'all. I love it, and I'm sure that you will too. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell for all post notifications so every time that I post a video, you will be notified. All details on this unit will be down in the description box below. So make your purchase today to slay with Jay. Okay. And I will catch y'all on my next video. Mwah.